Okay, guys, today we'll be talking about the arbitrage I once mentioned. Okay, this is my account. Okay, so I'm not going to take much of your time in this arbitrage. It's just very simple, very simple. Now you need your PayPal account and your PayPal account and your grey.co account for you to do this arbitrage. Okay, I'm going to show you how to buy dollars from your PayPal account, but I'm not going to buy the dollar because I'll be making use of my card and I don't want anyone to see my card details. Okay, so actually, like, it sounds weird but not too weird because I'm going to guide you through on what you're going to do. Okay, so just go to fresh dashboard and just type paypal.com/AE and click enter. I'm going to log in from it. Okay, so just click this up button, login, so we can log into our PayPal account on our website. Okay, now everyone will just be looking at the sounds. Oh, still loading. Well, okay, so from here we'll be buying our dollars at 503.35 naira per $1, and we're going to be selling in aboki FX at we're going to be selling at 589 naira per dollar. Okay, so these recent transactions I've made. Okay, so here you're going to, if you want to buy a dollar from PayPal account, this is how you would do it, because actually, like, you need to add money to your account here for you to be able to transfer this money to your linked bank account. Remember, I showed you how you are going to link your bank account in the previous video. The link is down here below, and the website that will guide you through on how to create your PayPal account and how to link your bank account and how to verify your bank account so that it can receive payment is in the description below. Okay, so you can see send money. So here you will need someone else that have a PayPal account. Then what you're going to do is you're going to request money. Just click this button below, click pay and get paid, click request money. Okay, so when you request money, what you're going to do is, let's say you want to buy $10. Let's start with $10. Sorry, let's start with $10. Request money. Just type in the email of the person. Let's say we are sending to not share your personal profile, invite a friend. Okay, now let's say we are requesting money and we are requesting from let's say trend, or let's say Oba Kelvin 91. Okay, let's say you are requesting money from this person, Oba Kelvin 91. Once you click this inbox, you click next. So type in $10. Okay, once you type in $10, good. Okay, what's this payment for? Type in family and friends, simple. Okay, now click request now. Once you once you click request now, an email will be sent to this user that you see it. You requested $10 from aboki91. So once you click this, once you click that, this email will be sent to this person to pay you $10. What you're going to do is that you're going to pay this person $10 amount in PayPal amount, because two of you are going to be working hand in hand. That's one thing about this arbitrage. Two of you are going to be working, except if you want to own two PayPal accounts like me, because I have two PayPal accounts. This is my second PayPal account, so I'm requesting this money. Once I request this money to this account, I'm going to log into this account and pay this $10 to this account I logged into, and it will show here. It will show on my dashboard that someone has paid, this aboki91 has paid the $10 I requested for. So once it shows here, I'm going to go to let me see. Okay, once it lands into my PayPal account, it's going to show on top of here. Before this, to help keep your account secure, please provide documents that confirm your identity. Before this, it's going to show on top here that someone sent me money from there. There is something that used to come up here. They will write it add money. Click that add money and it will take you to your bank account that you have already linked. Once you take you to that bank account you have already linked, click transfer money and you input the amount you want to transfer. That's this $10. And bear in mind that the bank account which you linked to this PayPal account is that bank account we got in that gray.co. So once you click send transfer money, it will transfer that whole $10 to your Aboki FX. Now when it transfers to your Aboki FX, it will show here in your balance. Okay, this is my United States dollar. It will show in your balance. Once it shows in your balance, you will now come here and click USD. This is your United States dollars. Let's say this is $10, right? So, but you shouldn't do with $10 because Aboki FX will not allow you to do with $10 to withdraw $10. You have to do something that is from $50 upward. Okay, but because we have used $10, I want to use that $10 to teach you what you are going to see in this arbitrage. Okay, so $10 you are paying 5,890. Now let's do the calculation there. In this arbitrage, this is my calculator. Okay, I would like to get my calculator in front of me. Okay, my calculator is not working. Okay, so this is my calculator. $10 times 503.35 naira per dollar for PayPal. The amount we are going to buy that $10 is 5,033.5 naira. Now the amount we are going to get when we convert this $10 to naira in Aboki FX is 5,890. Does not come because you are still going to pay fee here. Okay, so just click continue transaction. Let us see the amount we are going to pay them for this transaction and the amount we are going to get final. Okay, so here let me see, via bank transfer, amount bank to pay into. Okay, select destination. I'll just select one of my accounts here. Okay. Now the problem I have here is because of this $50 limit, I wouldn't be allowed to do this $10. Okay, so let's assume we requested $50. Now let us start with that one. Let's assume we requested $50. $50 times 503.35 naira per dollar in PayPal will give us 25,167.5 naira. You get? So 25,167.5 naira. In Aboki FX, that our $50 we turn to 29,450 naira. Now, if we are to withdraw it to our bank account, continue transaction. Now, rate $1 is 589 naira. We are now selling to them at $1, 589 naira, whereas we bought $1 at 503 naira 35 kobo. Now, the gray fee we are going to pay is 294.15 naira, which is 1% fee. Transfer fee 35 naira. Now, what we are going to get in total is 29,120.50 naira. Now, we are getting 29,120. Let's forget about the 50 kobo. 29,120. Let's do the mathematics. 29,000. Okay, 29,000. I'm coming. Let me cross check what we got. 50 times 503.35. 25,167. Okay, so 25,167 Abi. So 167 here we are getting 29,120. 29,120 minus 25,167 Abi. So our profit here is 3,953 naira per one trade. Is it not just huge? There is nothing like loss. There is nothing like will the price go high or will the price go low. It's not forex. Is it not huge? You just collect your 3,953 naira per one trade. And one thing about this arbitrage is that you can do it over and over again. Over and over again. You can just sit at home and keep doing this. Like, imagine where you have opportunity, like chance to do this, like a kind of like 5 times a day. Okay, 5 times a day, 3,000 okay, 3,953 naira times 5 times a day will give you 19,765 naira inside your bank account straight. This one is not on dashboard. Inside your bank account straight, not on your dashboard. It's not the one of you will be waiting for the end of the month for you to withdraw your fund, or you are waiting for a particular date for you to be paid. You are paying yourself straight, and there is nothing like referral here. You don't need to be shouting, posting links up and down for people to patronize you. No one is patronizing you. You are patronizing yourself. That is why how you patronize yourself is by either having 2 PayPal accounts so that you can request money and pay yourself, or you have someone you are working with that also have PayPal account that you can request money from, and the person will pay you, balance the person up. You get? Okay, so this arbitrage is called PayPal arbitrage, where you buy PayPal funds at lower rate and you sell at grade.co at higher rate and cash out big, much amazing profit. As you can see, why I don't want to do any transaction here is for security reasons. I've done one transaction one time on one of my Pioneer accounts. I would have used Pioneer account to link my PayPal account, but because it was, I don't want to say what happened to my Pioneer account, so that's why I don't want to do any transaction here. So if you have any problem while going through your transactions, that's your registration and so on, please do well to comment below so that we can help you. And remember, this is the bank account you will be given. Okay, this is the bank account you will be given. I'll just click cancel and go back. So just go to home. This is the bank account you'll be given. As you can see, just go to accounts. Okay, So this is my European euros. This is my account, Akachuku Joshua Oba. This is my account number. This sort code. This is my Swift code, and so on. Okay. So this is the bank address, Clear Junction Limited Bank. So this is my GPB account, Akachuku Oba. This and that. Okay. So this is my United States dollar account. This that Community Federal Savings Bank. So note, why I used to say use ACH payment is because you just pay 1% fee. That 1% fee was that 294 naira we paid. But assuming you are using Swift code to link your account to PayPal, you'll be paying 1% fee plus $50 fee. You see that? Imagine when you bought $50 from PayPal, you are even owing aboki FX 1% fee on top too. So you have to use that ACH routing number. How do you find ACH routing number? This is your ACH routing number. You can see it here. ACH routing number. Don't use Swift code. Don't use wire routing. This is your ACH routing number. If this is your first time joining, or you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe to this channel, as we bring more and more arbitrage opportunities and more the things you can do online for you to earn money, earn cool cash. Please subscribe to this video so that we can keep you informed, and so that you can get more updates once we drop any new video. Thank you and stay